Today in How Hard Can It Be, we are going to try to make ourselves a perfect steak which doesn't taste rubbery and hopefully it's going to be tender and soft and doesn't break our teeth when we eat it. We managed to find some nice piece of meat here, which is the rib eye, and we have here sirloin. We have two premium cuts here. One is the Sirloin Steak and one is the rib eye, where we bought it at Olive Hypermarket. So I Google and it seems that you need lots of sauce. Rub it up. Black pepper. Olive oil, some rosemary would be nice if we have. This is boiling and softened. Once the pan is hot enough, you just put it in. You just season it with black pepper, salt, pinch of salt. Give it a toss. Oil. It's hot. Leave it there for about a minute. Next, you should just turn down the heat a bit. We're going to be cooking the sirloin. It's basically the same olive oil. Wait till it's very hot. With the wine. There you go.
For the Christmas present.
Don't believe what the internet tells you, that you have to put, that you have to be generous in your salt. Don't believe it. Just put moderate, maybe more black pepper. So hit subscribe if you like this video. This is my first video, and the next video we might be roasting a whole turkey. How hard can it be? Stay tuned. Don't forget, hit subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day.